Hi everybody, it's Jodi. I wanted to tell you about a brand new special offer from Stampin' Up. It's June 3rd to 30th and it is a BOGO sale. Buy one, get one half off. They are featuring all of our suites. So it's a sweet sale because it features all of our sweet products. What that means is that you will see in our annual catalog, or if you're shopping online, some product suites. This is like a bigger collection of products. Think like stamp set of dies, some designer paper, maybe some embellishments, some gems or ribbons. All of those items that coordinate together make up a suite. And so this BOGO sale is for our suites and any of the products that make up the suite. So it really covers a lot. So you could purchase the entire suite, which is at, of course, a higher price point, and you could get a second suite at equal or lower value, half off. Or let's just say you like the embellishments or the designer papers. You can get a variety of designer papers from the different suites and get those buy one, get one half off. Or the embellishments, or you can get designer paper from one, ribbon from another, a stamp set from one, and dies from another. You can mix and match throughout the product suites. I've been a demonstrator now for 24 years. I've never seen a sale like this from Stampin' Up. We've never had a BOGO sale like this that covered so many different products, and especially those higher price point suites. So a couple of things I want to mention. First of all, you need to do a little math. If math isn't your thing, luckily for you, it is mine and I can help you out. But you want to make sure you're pairing things up to maximize the half off. So for example, if you ordered a stamp set and a designer paper, you will get half off of the designer paper, but it's not the most that you could get half off. For example, if you chose two stamp sets that are close in value, you're going to get more off of your total purchase. Hopefully that makes sense and doesn't add to any confusion. I won't be ordering a suite and a package of gems because that wouldn't be a great value. What I'm going to do is order two different suites, and I'm going to get buy one, get one half off of that. Now, what might make the most sense is actually to do two separate orders, because if I wanted to get two different suites and make sure that that's what got half off, and then I wanted to order a bunch of designer paper, which I do love our designer paper, so that's a very high possibility. Then I could do a separate order for, like, say, 4 different packages of designer paper, pay 2 of them full price and the other 2 half off. So if you need help figuring out how to maximize this BOGO sale, don't hesitate to reach out. I like math, I can do math, I can help you with your math. The other thing I want to point out is that when you click on a suite, it might say currently unavailable. If you click on it for more details, it will show you it might just be one of the gems is out of stock, one little portion, one item in the suite. You can still order those products individually as part of the BOGO sale. It might just be that one suite item number that's showing not available because of one product within that suite. So it's a great sale. It's a great value. If you have any confusion or need help maximizing, definitely reach out. I am happy to help you with that. One other quick note, I don't want you to forget about my special offer every month, my Bundle of the Month class. That's for my customers who are ordering $75 or more. You don't have to participate every month. You participate when you want to, but the reward is great. The Bundle of the Month class is, it's just been really popular since I started it a few months ago. People are really enjoying it. It's 16 different cards with project sheets and a short video to go with each of the cards to give you some great tips and tricks. So if you want to be part of that VIP group that gets the Bundle of the Month video class, just make sure to get that $75 order in for June. All right, that is what I've got for you today. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all. Have a good one.